just thought I would share this. This is what they call an Equiva lock. It's a Bluetooth controlled locking mechanism which just fits directly over the key bolting onto the Yale lock itself, and it allows me to quite easily lock and unlock the door with it having Bluetooth. When I'm on the outside, I can use my phone to unlock it. The good thing about this is that you can also use a standard key when on the outside, and on the inside there's a round device to lock and unlock the door manually. The other thing that I use is I've tied around the letterbox some £50 fishing line, and then I just put the fishing line in my teeth, and as I go outside I just pull the door shut behind me. This has been a great boon to me. It's reduced my leaving the house time from about 5 to 10 minutes to just a couple of minutes, as you can see here. Here's the device itself, and I will put a link in the further information below. Thanks. Bye.